Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we can discuss how to make public profile on Snapchat. So if you want to create public profile on Snapchat, then how you can do that. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to open the Snapchat, and after that you have to click on here Bitmoji profile, and here you have to click on settings, and if you scroll down, then here you can easily find in Bitmoji profile section. If you can scroll down, then here you can easily find the option of public profile. So here you have to click on create public profile, and here you can see some benefits of the public profile, which means you can simply show your name on your spotlight or snap map, and also anyone who views your snaps, your lenses, will be able to subscribe your account. Moreover, it will publicly build your profile, which means you can reach more and more people on Snapchat. So if you click on get started, your public profile will be created and you will get a subscription button, and anyone see your story or anything you share will be allowed to subscribe you. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, can you subscribe our channel.